Hey guys, Prof here, and today we've got another video under the desk. Got this brown package here. Show the size. You've gotten relative, probably been under here a couple times now, so you know about how big that is. We're just gonna crack this open. It just came in. This time we're going with the right hand with the knife because that seems safer. Looks like I need to put a new blade in my... Oh. They just don't know how to package or how to tape a gosh darn box. Oh, we got a little kitty helping us. This is the granny kitty. You don't see very much of her. She's already ran away. That is Sprecher. Oh, we gotta raise the... Alright, in here we have what looks like a plastic bag. And that's my packing slip / receipt. Here we have a black box of sorts. Leather strap on top. Vendivici. Oh, I bet you I know what these are. These are my V-Moda Crossfade 2s. Not the Crossfade 1s, which I have, and the M100s. Those are the wired version. The weird thing is M100 can collapse. It's the same body shape as the Crossfade 2, but the Crossfade 2 can't collapse. Also, all of them you should get with the bigger headphones. Yeah, we got Crossfade 2 here, Crossfade 2 wireless. These by default come with the thicker ear cups, which they should have just come from in the first place. There's a little snap on the back side here. Lift that up. This pops open. Don't even know what that is. Looks like we got a V-Moda sticker. Oh, and registration, that's serial number. Not important to you guys. Decent foam packing. Let's open it up a bit wider here. Yeah, this one might not be as fun. I'm doing this kind of quick. Alright, in this one here, we have the case. This is the case from the M100s, not the one from the Crossfade wireless, which is good since they're a collapsible one. You know, it's got this like bronze color. Oh, we got a Hamlet now, right there. And now Phyllis is here too. Apparently I can't just make a video without cat intervention. These are really cold, so I'm not going to pull them up right away. Yes, I'm using my feet because I'm using my hand to hold the camera. I haven't gotten the clamp and tripod I have set up for the phone set up yet. So this is a nice hard case. Up top, there's your charge cable. Here are the actual headphones. Right here. You got the directions on them. What I should be able to do is... Alright, we got the headphones with directions on the sides. They did give me a 1/4" adapter. Also in the lower half looks like a cable there. I have a bunch of extra ones since I have a bunch of the other products right now. Let's pop off. Sorry if this thing's super shaky. This might not be one of my better videos since I'm trying to hurry here. Because there is one thing on these that I know many of you will appreciate. probably cut a bunch of this out. Oh, okay, so these are supposed to have my ear cups on them. I did get what they call the rose gold. To me, that doesn't look like rose gold. It looks like more like a bronze or a brass color. I really liked it, so I went with the rose gold, I guess, and then the rose gold screws on there. And I did order custom, whatever you want to call it, sides for these that are my avatar Inori. So I need to find those. Maybe they're in the packaging. Negative. What about this thing? Not in there either. Let's check this box. Oh. Here they are. So for reference, right there. I'll take some pictures once they're installed, maybe put them towards the end when the credits are rolling. And there's a Phyllis. You want to see what this is, Phyllis? There she is. She found another box. She'll probably try and go in here in a couple minutes. But this actually turned out really well. This is with their new laser etching. So you can actually have a couple different tones of black and white, whereas the old ones, it was just a laser engraved, so you get the outline, which was fine because previously it was just a vector. And then in printmaking class, I did make this into, I added some different colors to it. And I think it turned out pretty darn decent here. We'll have to see once it actually comes off how it looks. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments below. If you didn't, definitely know it's probably due to the camera work more than anything else. I'll try to take some decent pictures so you guys can see how these really look once they're together. I'll see you in the next video.